Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the PayPal affiliate program. I'm going to walk you through exactly how their lucrative referral program works, tips for getting accepted, and proven strategies to promote your custom links so that you can earn your commissions and even track them. So by the end of this video, you will have a concrete game plan for getting accepted into PayPal's program and maximizing your commissions over time. So as you probably already know, PayPal is an online payments platform that has become one of the largest digital wallet and money transfer services. With over 400 million active user accounts globally, PayPal processes billions of dollars in payment volume each and every single year. And all of that credibility makes our affiliate marketing lives much easier. So now that we know there's a big opportunity with PayPal, let's see how to join the PayPal's affiliate program. So to get started, PayPal runs their affiliate program through a platform called Partnerize. It is one of the leading affiliate network companies. So basically, Partnerize provides the platform, tracking, reporting, and payment infrastructure for PayPal's referral program. So in order to become an affiliate, you first need to go and sign up with Partnerize with your free account and get approved as a publisher within their network. So simply go to partnerize.com and click join or the sign up button. Follow these simple steps to create your account. You'll be prompted to provide some details such as your basic contact information, your email, choosing a password, a username on their platform, and your own website. The approval process with Partnerize is typically very quick and you should gain access to their dashboard within a few days or sometimes even instantly. Once approved into the Partnerize network, you can browse various brand affiliate programs and choose to apply to them individually. However, for this video, we want to go to campaigns and then join campaigns and search for PayPal. You will now be able to view the PayPal programs that are available to us at the moment. You might not find the same exact programs as I am right now. It really depends on the time that you open this video and search for them. Once you found the program that you want to apply to, simply click on it and then hit apply, read the terms and conditions, and just apply to it. PayPal itself will want to review details of your website, audience size, traffic numbers, and all of that to make sure you understand the terms and conditions. And then you will need to wait until you get approved by PayPal itself and start accessing your referral links, so be patient. Once you've gotten accepted, PayPal will show up under your campaigns tab within Partnerize where you can generate your own custom affiliate links. Once you've reached that point, it's time to start driving some clicks, but before we get into promotional tactics, let's look at the commission structure. So as of right now, the way you can earn with PayPal is that you receive a flat $10 commission per new PayPal account activation generated through your own link. You also earn $10 for any reactivated dormant accounts. And there are no commissions paid on transaction volume or the purchases made, only on new signups. So while the commission rate may be on the lower side compared to financial products, the massive reach of PayPal allows you to scale your earnings through volume. With around 400 million users worldwide, even tiny conversion rates can become significant income when compounded. And now we're going to talk about the most crucial part of affiliate marketing itself, which is the actionable strategies for promoting your links. Driving traffic and conversions is the name of the game when it comes to affiliate marketing. Here are some proven tactics for promoting your own links. The very first one is the financial blogs and content. If you run a personal finance blog or content focused on money tips, you should prominently mention PayPal in relevant posts and tutorials about receiving payments, going cashless, etc. Don't aggressively pitch it, weave it organically. We've also got the good old YouTube review and tutorials. You can create YouTube videos reviewing your experience with PayPal itself and walking through how viewers can securely send or receive international payments using it. Obviously mention your custom link in the description or the comments of your videos. There is also the social media promotion, as you can share your unique affiliate link with PayPal on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For example, when discussing e-commerce, accepting payments online, or sending money overseas. Email marketing is another great way that you can promote your links, as you can promote it in broadcasts and sequences sent to your email subscriber lists, especially if your audience consists of entrepreneurs, freelancers, or small business owners who need to collect payments. So once you've started actively driving traffic to your unique PayPal referral links, it's crucial to closely track their performance using Partnerize's analytics. So under the analytics section on Partnerize, you can view up-to-date statistics showing the number of clicks that your links received, any impressions achieved, which is the time links were shown, click-through rates and conversions, commissions earned, and all of that good stuff. So these metrics help you determine which promotional channels are delivering the most clicks and the impressions, and then you want to pay attention to which of those high traffic sources convert at the highest rates so that you can double down on what works. I also recommend using Google Analytics to gain additional insights not provided by Partnerize, such as the traffic, demographics, and location, page visited, etc. Also, Partnerize will automatically handle sending your commission payouts on the schedule that you select under your settings. Just make sure that your payments details are updated to receive your earnings. Now, if for whatever reason, let's say Partnerize doesn't work for you or you don't get accepted right away, here are some other noteworthy PayPal affiliate programs and networks worth looking into. You can check ClickBank, which is a major digital marketplace that offers a PayPal affiliate program. Impact is another leading affiliate network providing a PayPal partner program that you can join as a publisher. There's also Awin and Rakuten Advertising. In my opinion, even if Partnerize works for you, having multiple accounts networks gives you flexibility to take advantage of geo and vertical specific programs when available. So just make sure to closely follow each program's guidelines and properly disclose your affiliation when required. And that wraps up our guide on getting started with PayPal's affiliate program and succeeding with affiliate marketing through the strategies that we shared. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.